Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is using the Yesterday and Today collection from Close to My Heart. I have two of the pattern papers and one of the cardstock. This beautiful chocolate brown paper, I just love it. It has a distressed look. It has polka dots, little tiny polka dots, tone on tone. I'm cutting the zip strip right now, and I am going to use it on this layout. This next paper, love it as well. It is a cream color with that chocolate and tan and distressed, and it's got some script words. I'm going to cut 4 inches off that 12 by 12 sheet of paper. I'm going to place that on the lower half of my foundation page, which is that beautiful chocolate tone on tone distress and polka dots. Now I wanted a little bit more pop, so I decided here that I am going to use my Creative Memories border punch system, and this one does a real tiny scallop and then it punches out stars. But I'm focusing on just letting the scallops show through. So what I'm going to do is place that branding strip on top of that area, and it's just going to add a nice delicate pop to this layout. I hope that you're enjoying this little mini series of me using the Yesterday and Today collection. I am a consultant. I will have my contact information listed below, and at the end of the video, if you are at all interested in this product, come on over to Close to My Heart. No hassle. Do it on your own. I don't know that you're logging in, and go over there and browse the products over there. It is just awesome. And if you haven't seen my other videos, go back and watch the videos. All right. This is an awesome collection. All right. Like I said, I took my zip strip and placed it on top of that border strip that I just created, and see how I have it facing down. I'm like, no, that's not what I'm going for. Now I have it facing up, and you can see that just little delicate scallop there. It's an awesome system. I love my Creative Memories border punch system. Just love all the border punches I have. All right, from the Yesterday and Today sticker sheet, I pulled out these rose sticker sheets. Was lost for words. And then I have the leaves, and I have 3 there, and they look fine, and I wish I would have left the 3 there, but I just left 2. Also, I kind of think they're a little bit too big, and I do have the stamp set, and the flowers are a little bit smaller, and I think I might go back and stamp them out using the espresso ink from Close to My Heart and take those larger ones off. But I don't know. I rarely ever go back and change something on my layout, just because there's one little thing I didn't care about it when I finally finished the layout. So it may just stay as it is. All right, so on that sticker sheet is the word family. It looks fine just like this, but I wanted to add more of that distressed, grungy look. So I do ink the word family, and I do that off camera because that's the only thing that took me a little bit to do for this layout. This is a quick, easy layout. All right, on my desk, I saw that I had this other little word phrase, which I thought tied in perfect, and it says, life is a collection of moments. So my title now reads, Family Life is a Collection of Moments. You see in the lower right-hand corner, I have a clock there that is made out of cloth. Then I tucked in the Yesterday and Today vellum pieces there. And now I'm wanting some more embellishments with some different textures. In my little box, I find a cork heart, a cork arrow, this butterfly that's like a puffy butterfly, and then I add a bird. Then I will bring out my ruler and pencil and add some lines, and I'm gonna make sure that I document this photograph that was taken in October of 2010 of my husband's grandmother with her great-great-grandchildren and her great-great-great-grandchildren. I want to make sure I get all that written down. Then I will bring out my Rachel Beth watercolor, and I use the one that is like a rose gold, and I splatter it over there on the left side, and then a little bit up by the where I'll do my journaling, and then up by where the bird is, and then up by the roses, and I add 2 little tabs where I write in the date of that photograph, and my layout's complete. All right, I appreciate you all. Make sure that you get out your photographs and document your memories in a fun, creative way. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please share my channel, give a thumbs up, and here comes the still shots. And you guys have a fabulous day and keep coming back. And remember, I create these videos to encourage you to document those memories. This is not just about me selling close to my heart products. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.